Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about lines and angles, its introduction and basic concepts. Okay? Let us talk about line. Line means if you take a straight line, if there existed two endpoints, so that segment is called a line. Okay? If A and B, these are two endpoints of a segment, so this segment is called a line. Okay, and if one endpoint A and in other side it's infinitely going on, it doesn't have any endpoint, so such segment is called a ray. Okay, angle, so the same endpoint, two rays are originated from the same endpoint, so makes an angle. Okay, makes an angle theta. Depending upon the value of theta or angle, so the different types of angles are there. First of all, so the first one, so if the angle between the angle of two rays is in between 0 to 90 degrees, so it is like this. So it is an acute angle. Okay, so the acute angle may be 10 degrees, 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. It is less than of 90 degrees. So the acute angle lies in between 0 to 90 degrees. And similarly the second one, if the angle or theta equals to 90 degrees exactly, so the angle is exactly 90 degrees, so it is called as a right angle. Okay, right angle. Okay, so here the angle between two rays should be 90 degrees only. Okay, and next third one, if the angle between two rays is in between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, 90 degrees to 180 degrees, so it is like this. So it is an obtuse angle. Okay, so obtuse angles means the obtuse angles we can take as a 110 degrees, 100 degrees, 150 degrees, 170 degrees, 130 degrees, anything, etc. So it should be lies in between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. And next one, and the fourth one is if the angle is 180 degrees exactly, so the angle between two rays, so the angle between two rays, x or theta, okay, angle between two rays is 180 degrees exactly, then this is one ray and exactly it is another ray, so it is an intersecting point or originate point, so such angle is called straight line. Okay, and the angle should be 180 degrees, then such angle or such figure is called a straight line. And next one, fifth one, if the angle is in between 190 to 360 degrees, so 190 to 360 degrees, if it is lies in between, the angle is lies in between 180 to 360 degrees, so it is like this. So it is called as a reflex angle. Reflexing angles means the angle is in between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. It is a reflex angle. Okay. Now let us talk about once again. And line means if a line segment, it is existed of two endpoints. If one endpoint existed and another endpoint it doesn't existed, it is goes on infinitive, so it is called a ray. And angle, when two rays having of same endpoint as origin, so such phenomena is called such the two rays makes an angle. Okay, if the angle is in between 0 to 90 degrees, it is an acute angle. It is exactly 90 degrees, it is a right angle. And it is in between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, it is an obtuse angle. And if it is exactly 180 degrees, it is a straight line. If it is the angle is in between 180 degrees to 360 degrees, it is a reflex angle. Okay. Okay, students. Now, if you draw a line, okay, if you draw a line when if two endpoints existed, it is a line. Okay, if in a line, if more than 3 points existed on the same line, this is 1 point and this is 1 point and this is 1 point. More than 3 points existed in a same line, such points are called collinear points. Okay? If this condition doesn't follow, that means if you take 3 points in a space like this, and the line can be formed like this, so these are not in a straight line, so these points are called as a non-collinear points. Okay, non-collinear points. It is a collinear point and it is a non-collinear point. Collinear points means these points are lies on a straight line. Non-collinear points doesn't lies on a straight line. It is existed in space in various positions. Okay, and after that we will discuss about the complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, next we have to find. Let us draw two lines. Okay, two rays. So it is a originating point, that is end point. Okay, if you draw another line, another ray from this origin, okay, so this ray and this ray makes an angle A, and this ray and this ray makes an angle B. Okay, the two rays makes an one angle and these two rays makes an angle two rays. If the angles may be different values existed. Okay, A value will be different, B value will be different depending upon the values. Okay, there are two conditions. Okay, there are two different types of definitions. Okay, if A plus B, if angle A plus angle B equals to angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees. So such angles are called as a complementary angles. What? Complementary angles. If the second one, if the sum of the angles, angle A, angle B equals to 190 degrees, then such adjacent angles are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Okay, it's figured like this. Okay, so the sum of the angle should be 180 degrees. So the sum of the angle should be 180 degrees. So the angle is A, and angle is B. Okay, it is a one ray and it is one ray and it is one ray. They are at the origin. Okay, the sum of the angles equals to 180 degrees. Then such adjacent angles are called supplementary angles. If the sum of the angles equals to 190 degrees, then such angles are called complementary angles. We are going to discuss about this important problem. Okay, that is, look at the figure. So xy is a straight line and mn is a straight line. They are intersecting at O point. Then what he has asked, the lines mn and xy intersecting at O. If angle POY equals to 90 degrees and angle A and angle B. Angle A is to angle B equals to 2:3. Then find out the angle C. Okay, let us find out the answer using this figure. Okay, first of all we need to, what he has given. What he has given, angle POY equals to 90 degrees. And next one, angle POY means angle PO and Y. So this angle is 90 degrees. It is a right angle triangle. And the next one, what he has given, angle A is B, which is equals to 2:3. Then what he asked, what is the value of C? Okay, where is the angle A and angle B? Angle A and angle B are in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, from this given data we have to find out the AB values, and similarly we have to find out the angle of C. Okay, and what he has given, A is to B equals to 2:3. Okay, and C equals to what? Okay, from the figure we can say that angle A is to B equals to 2:3. From the figure what he has given, already angle POY equals to 90 degrees. So in a straight line the total angle is 180 degrees. So the total angle is 180 degrees. Okay, already this value is 90 degrees. Okay, already this value is 90 degrees. And remaining angle POQ value, POX value is angle POY equals to 90 degrees. So angle POX value also should be 90 degrees. Okay, clear? And next, angle A and angle B. Okay, so sum of this angle equals to 90 degrees, but A or B are in the ratio of 2:3. So we can say that okay, let us take A equals to 2x. So fraction of 2x. Okay, A has some angle, so that is in the ratio of, that is in the fraction of 2. Okay, so angle A equals to 2x, and similarly B equals to, we have to let us consider. Okay, B value is 3x. So sum of the total angles is, so sum of the total angles at angle POX is 90 degrees. So angle POX, which is equals to A plus B, which is equals to 2x plus 3x, which is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, then 5x, which is equals to 90 degrees. And similarly then x equals to how much? 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. So x value is 80 degrees. Okay, so then A value will become, 2 into 18. So that means it is a value is 36 degrees. And similarly, and B value 3 into 18. So that is 54 degrees. Okay, so A value is came and B value also came. Okay, we have to find out the value of C. Okay, Then let us consider MN is a straight line. By the figure, MN is a straight line. So angle at the center of MN is 180 degrees. So that means angle of MOX plus angle of XON, which is equals to 180 degrees. So angle of MOX is nothing but B. B plus this value, we don't know this value. So V. So C equals to 180 degrees. We already know that the B value is 54 degrees. Let us substitute this equation. Okay. 54 plus C equals to 180 degrees. Then the C value will become 180 minus 54. So 6, 7, 2, 126. So the angle of C equals to 126 degrees. Okay, it is the angle 126 degrees, and angle B value will be 54 degrees and angle A value will be 36 degrees. Okay, so from the given figure we have find out all the angles of A, B and C using this sum relation. We are going to solve this problem. Okay, so the question is, in the figure the PQ and RS intersect each other at a point O. At a point O, the line segments PQ and RS are intersecting. Okay, then the angle of POR is angle of ROQ equals to 5:7. Okay, then find the all angles. So what ratio he has given? Angle POR as well as angle ROQ is given. Okay, where is the angle POR? POR means 5 ratio. Okay, this is 5 and ROQ. Okay, ROQ, it is an 7th ratio. Okay, then we can take the angle POR as some ratio of 5. Okay, so let us take the angle POR, which is equals to how much the ratio? 5 of X ratio. Okay, and similarly angle ROQ is in the ratio of 7. So angle ROQ equals to 7x. Okay, can you visible PQ? Okay, angle POR as well as angle ROQ. Okay, so this angle plus this angle, so adding up these angles means angle or a straight line of POQ. Okay, it is a straight line. At the center of this line, the angle is how much? The angle is 190 degrees. Okay, so angle POR plus angle ROQ, which is equals to 5x plus 7x. You already know what is this value? Angle POR as well as angle ROQ equals to 190 degrees. So 180 equals to how much? 5x plus 7x. So it is a 12x equals to 180. Then the x value equals to 15. Okay, so if you substitute this value in this equation, and we will get the answer like this: angle POR, which is equals to 5 into how much the x value? 15. So by substituting this value we can the answer is 75 degrees. Okay, angle POR equals to 75 degrees. Okay, and similarly angle ROQ. Okay, angle ROQ means angle ROQ, which is equals to 7 into 15. So 15 sevens are how much? 105. Okay, so angle ROQ equals to 105. So what he has asked, find the all angles. Okay, so from the theorem or from the axiom, the opposite angles are same. So angle POR, which is equals to angle SOQ, Q. So this angle is 75 degrees, and similarly the opposite angles are same. That's why angle POS means 105 degrees. Okay.